Broadcast News starts now.
Good morning, Bengals. I'm Brianka Jones.
And I'm Mickey Lee.
And your favorite high school TV show is back.
Yes, the GEAUX BENGAL Broadcast has finally returned for a new season, and as you can see, we have a few new faces.
But don't worry, some of your faves are still around, but we also have a lot of new talent that you get to see throughout the school year. Speaking of talent, can you dance? Now, I'm not talking about jigging or hitting a wall, but actually dancing. Well, if so, it's too late to join the Royals, but you can try for Bel Air's basketball dance team, the Royal Gems. Trials will be held in October. See Miss Thomas or Miss James for more info.
So maybe you can't dance. No problem. There are plenty of other sports and orgs you can join around Bel Air. Right now, Coach Coleman and Coach Pitcher are looking for the best runners in the school. If that's you, sign up for cross country ASAP. Get a packet from one of the coaches and make sure it's back by this Friday. Brianka, do you play any sports?
Yeah, I'm actually captain the volleyball team. Our jamboree game is August 28th at Northeast. Y'all should come check it out.
Will do. We'll be right back.
Good morning, Bengals. I'm Amani.
And I'm Sebastian, and today's ACT word of the day is adhere.
Adhere means to stick to a certain belief or practice. So please adhere to all the rules in the hallway. And remember, don't stop going hard just because they don't give you credit.
What's up, Bengals? I'm Mike Elwes, your drum major of the best band in the land, the Royal Wave. We would like to invite the whole entire Bengal family to the Bel Air Night at the main event. The event is on September 15th from 6 to 9 p.m. So come out, enjoy the laser tag, bowling, games, and so much more.
Welcome back. Now, Mickey, you and I aren't new to this school, but a lot of students are.
That's right. And just in case you need a reminder, here are some of the rules you definitely need to follow.
Bengals, kick your day off by bringing the right book sack to school. Your book sack should be clear or meshed, and know that administration will take the risk.
Students, remember, cell phones and phones are not allowed. Keep them out of sight and out of mind until your lunch shift.
Unlike cell phones, jackets are allowed, but only if you follow the J code. Jackets must be solid colors, and only school colors are allowed. Jackets with hoods, multiple colors, logos, or designs violate the J code, so leave them at the crib.
You heard about the J code, but don't forget about the dress code, Bengals. Keep your shirts tucked in, pants must be khaki, keep a belt through your loops, and most importantly, please have your ID visible on your collar.
Also, students, remember to walk on the right side. I repeat, the right side.
And remember to always wear your ID.
See what happened?
No, I don't want to hear it.
Alright. Thanks for watching the GEAUX BENGAL Broadcast. Have a great day.